Hello friends, do you ever thought that why the energy flow in your life, the abundance or the opportunities, like you get stuck if in different situations, why it is not moving, why your life is not moving the way you want? So there are three things that can impact your energy flow in all walks of life, be it physical health, be it relationship, be it your financial health. And understanding these three things is extremely important. Number one, your energy might get stuck because of your own personal karma or your actions. Number two, the karmas of your ancestors. And number three, collective consciousness. Now, I am doing a workshop on ancestral healing. Now, why it is the right time to do it? Because per Hindu mythology, starting 10th of September, the full moon, to the new moon, 16 lunar day cycle, this is the time when our ancestors descend to meet their descendants. And there is like lots of prayers, offerings, good deeds in the name of the ancestors are done so that we can clear the debts of our ancestors. As we all know that our facial features, our expressions, diseases, we all know that we carry our ancestral genes. So when we carry these many things, we also carry their mindset, their disappointments, their negativities. Also, we carry that as a baggage. And this is the time that we meditate in person on Zoom for 4 days continuously for 45 minutes to an hour so that we can release those connections, the karmic bondage, the karmic debt. So what are you waiting for? I will be sharing the 5 ways to release the bondages that we carry so that we release our ancestors, ascend them to the higher dimensions, and in return, we receive the blessings of whatever we need in our life in order to lead an abundant, peaceful, blissful, prosperous life. So, link is below. Click on it and join it. All the details will be available to you. Thank you so much. See you all soon.